Alright, watch you now. We can video you. We can video you. Because I don't know how you in your yard. Watch her. We don't watch her people. Go here. In the yard. Look on her ear. Oh, you so well did. You know so will come, don't it? I set you up, you know. Eh? Watch her. In her yard. Alright, anyways. So, guys, she's gonna join us, right? So, Ruth, right? Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Yeah, nobody want to big up before we move on?
My mother, my father, my husband, and other relatives.
Alright, cool. So, Ruth is gonna join us today. What's your name, ma'am? Brittany gonna join us today too. Don't video. Brittany don't want a video. Don't put Brittany on the video. Ruth will put on the video today. Alright, Ruth, so that's one of the best features I think is our combined shipping feature. We're going to ship small items, we combine them for you, and just charge you for the combined weight. Instead of charge you, if you ship a half pound item, we charge you for a pound, we don't do that. We're going to combine the item. This card, we have a promotion going on now, where when you sign up, all you need to do is write, you're going to get a mailbox, and when you sign up, we're going to give you a unique address in the US. You're going to write your mailbox number yourself, right? When you do that, you're going to WhatsApp your mailbox number. You're going to give the card to a friend, and the friend is going to WhatsApp the mailbox number to our US number. We're going to give you a free £5 coupon, and we're going to give the friend or family member a free £5 coupon. That's how it works, right? So go ahead, sign up, join us today, so we can give you some nice free shipping. Right? Alright. Guys, we got to go. We have to go sign up, Brittany. So tell them bye for me.
Bye.
Alright, big up. Yes, Hozzy. Big up, Hozzy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm calling him?
Marshall,
big up yourself. You saw your woman well did in the yard, Marshall. And you're the boss, you know. You're the real boss. Alright, thank you. Here.